Since this is done at the start of every Kundalini Yoga practice, this mantra is the one I have the most experience with and what has been a benchmark for the evolution of my voice. Even after 26 years of intoning this mantra, I still get squeaky and creaky at times. And it's in this honesty of the voice that we can see the alignment of the chakra Vishuddha in the throat. Vishuddha translates to mean purification. So as we purify out what is not true, we distill down to what is true. Truth is another key word for Vishuddha. Adi means primal or first, and it's meant to be done at the beginning, at the start of your practice. The way that this mantra is done is by bringing the tip of your tongue to the roof of your mouth for ONG, Ong. Ong is the active or dynamic, creative aspect of Om. Namo means to name. Gurudev is the divine wisdom within. So with this mantra, Om Namo Gurudev Namo, you're naming infinite creative consciousness and the divine wisdom within yourself. If possible, do the entire mantra on one breath. But if you find your breath is not at that capacity yet, then take a breath in between Om Namo and Gurudev Namo. Breathe in for the first of three. As you inhale, bring your arms up overhead, and as you exhale, stretch them back behind you. Namaste.